Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel AI with Hari. In previous video, I was explaining about basic configuration in Git and also about 3 levels of Git. In this video, let's have a quick recap of what we learned in previous class, and we will be learning about the ways to create a Git repository and also about Git help method. Without wasting any time, let's get on to the video. How to create a Git repository? Git repository can be created in 2 ways. First is through the Git Init method, which creates an empty Git repository in our local machine. The other way is by using git clone command, which copies an existing Git repository from a remote location like GitHub to our local machine. When using git clone, you will learn how to connect with GitHub in upcoming classes. For now, we will focus on exploring Git Init in more detail. As I said, Git Init creates an empty repository in our local machine, and we need Git repository for Git to identify that this repository or folder is the Git project. It creates an empty repository along with few hidden files which is used by Git internally. One among that file is the local Git configuration file, because whenever we create a Git repository, it automatically creates a Git configuration file, which is otherwise known as Git config file. Also, this is the local config file. What is config file and what are the levels? We need config file for Git to identify which user has committed the code, when it was done, and what was done, and by whom it was done. It keeps tracks of all the changes. So these changes had to be set once to identify which user has done this. To set this information, we have 3 levels. One is project level, second is the global level or user account level, and the third hierarchy is system level. Local level is the lowest level, which has control over a particular project. Global level applies to all the projects under a single user. Git checks if project level username and email. If not set, then it applies the global level. The third and the highest level is the system level. If project level and global level credentials are not set, Git takes the credentials of system level. Git helps in case if you forgot few command or syntax, we can make use of this command. If we type git help and any command name, say init, it redirects to the official document and we can refer it. That's it for this video. I have taken measures to simplify the git config. Also, I briefed about git init and git help command. Please do share, subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.